In the next few minutes, you'll invite healing Reiki energy to flow from your head to your toes, restoring calm, balance, and harmony. Close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in, and breathe out. Feel your shoulders drop as the day's weight begins to lift. Bring your awareness to the present moment. This is your sacred time for healing and transformation. Invite Reiki to flow through your crown, connecting you with divine light and higher consciousness. Feel yourself balanced between heaven and earth, peaceful, present, and whole. Place both hands lightly on the top of your head. Visualize pure Reiki light streaming down through your hands and into your crown chakra at the top of your head, clearing thoughts, easing mental pressure, and bringing stillness to your mind. And now gently bring your hands to rest over your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly. Allow Reiki energy to flow through your palms, soothing tired eyes and washing away strain or heaviness. Feeling calmness and clarity return to your inner and outer vision. Now move your hands gently to your throat. Breathe deeply, letting your breath open this center of expression and truth. Feel Reiki energy releasing unspoken words and emotions, dissolving any tension around communication and speaking your truth. Allow your voice to soften and your truth to flow freely. Place your hands over your heart center. Take a deep, nurturing breath into your chest. Invite Reiki's healing warmth to open your heart space, melting away emotional baggage. Feel love, compassion, and ease expanding from within. Let Reiki's healing warmth dissolve tension and restore confidence, love, and peace. Now move your hands to your solar plexus, just below the rib cage. Breathe deeply into this center of confidence and personal power. Let Reiki's golden light restore balance, courage, and calm self-assurance. Feel your inner strength and peace radiating through your whole being. Slide your hands gently down to rest just below the navel at the sacral energy center. Breathe into your lower abdomen. Allow Reiki to flow here, clearing emotional tension and restoring creativity, joy, and natural flow. Feel harmony returning to your emotions, supporting digestion and anchoring your strength. A gentle warmth awakening your life force. Now move your hands to the base of your spine or rest them on your upper thighs. Take a grounding breath in, exhale slowly. Allow Reiki's steady energy to anchor you deeply into the earth, feeling safe, supported, and at home in your body. Place your hands over your knees. Invite Reiki to flow through your legs, releasing tension, heaviness, and fatigue, restoring strength and stability. Feel the connection between your body and the earth, growing stronger with every breath. Now rest your hands over your feet or visualize golden Reiki light radiating through them. Feel the earth's support beneath you, peaceful, steady, connected. You are safe, you are balanced. Finally, bring your awareness to the space about 12 inches or 30 centimeters below your feet. You may wish to place your hands in your lap and visualize as Reiki flows downward. Feel the energy connecting you to the Earth Star chakra at this point. It is your deep anchor into the Earth's heart. Allow Reiki to ground, stabilize, and balance your entire energy field. Feel fully supported, safe, and connected to the healing power of Mother Earth. Take one last deep breath, exhale gently, and smile. You've just given your whole body a peaceful, restful Reiki energy reset. Give thanks for all the blessings you have received during this session and open your eyes. Check out the links in the description for a guided Reiki self-treatment audio and subscribe for more guided Reiki, healing meditations and daily energy balance practices. Blessings to you with love and light. Thank you for walking this path with me. You are the light, clearer and more at peace than ever before.